Xiaomi Mi 8 has just been unveiled last month. All the important Chinese flagship phones of the first half of 2018 are official. Now there is just one thing left: understanding which one of these devices is worth buying. With Huawei P20 Pro being the most expensive choice among Chinese flagships, Xiaomi Mi 8 and OnePlus 6 are the most suitable devices for a comparison due to their price. We believe that they are currently the best Chinese phones you can get besides Huawei P20 Pro, and this Xiaomi Mi 8 and OnePlus 6 comparison will shed some light about their differences and similarities. A beautiful design is a must for a flagship to stand out. This is exactly why Xiaomi and OnePlus has put a lot of efforts in the making of the aesthetics of their latest flagships. Both come with an attractive glass back, as well as a notched display, which helps to minimize the bezels. Xiaomi Mi 8 ditches the stainless steel frame found on the Mi 6, but it has a 7000 series aluminum frame. On the other hand, OnePlus 6 is a splash-proof device, according to the company. Even when it comes to displays, it is a close fight. Both these handsets have a notched 6.2-inch display, with a full HD Plus resolution, and the AMOLED technology. However, Xiaomi Mi 8 seems to be the only one with the HDR10 compliant, which alongside its 600 nits max brightness, makes it a slightly better display. Note that OnePlus 6 display is slightly bigger, and it has a smaller notch. Xiaomi Mi 8 has a bigger notch because it contains infrared sensors for 3D facial recognition, which is not present on the OnePlus 6. Both the devices are powered by the top-end Snapdragon 845, which runs at a max frequency of 2.8 GHz. The SoC is paired with up to 256 GB of internal storage. However, the OnePlus 6 is the only one to come in a variant with 8 GB of RAM. So, at least in this variant, we expect better performance in multitasking. Further, OnePlus 6 should have a better overall performance, as its software is usually better optimized. But on the other hand, Xiaomi Mi 8 has MIUI 10 out of the box, which we define a way better UI than Oxygen OS, due to its huge amount of additional features and customization. Even though both have dual camera setup at the back, we can make some conclusions regarding its camera performance. On the paper, OnePlus 6 has better specs. While OnePlus 6 comes with a 16+20MP dual setup, on the other hand, Xiaomi Mi 8 has two 12MP sensors, with f1.8 and f2.4 apertures. In camera comparison, OnePlus 6 has managed to do slightly better than Xiaomi previous flagship Mi X2s, with its photo quality. However, Xiaomi claims that Mi 8 outclassed the Mi Mix 2s, and DxOMark has placed it in its top 5 best camera phones. So, we believe it will be a very hard challenge. One thing is sure, both are amazing camera phones, so you will not go wrong if you choose them for their cameras. None of these devices have a very big battery. These devices will just have a battery, which can reach the end of the day, with constant use. Since capacities are almost the same, they both have an AMOLED display, and a similar hardware side, we do not expect a big difference between their battery life. Further, both feature a very efficient fast charging technology. We cannot make any claims on Xiaomi Mi 8 price in the global market, as it has just been launched in China for now. In the country, the handset carries a price tag of $421, while OnePlus 6 has been launched at $500. With the actual prices, I think Xiaomi Mi 8 has a higher value for money, and there is no real need to spend $80 more. So guys, what do you think about the comparison of OnePlus 6 and Xiaomi Mi 8? Share your comment down below, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.